India's defense sector has made significant strides in recent decades with the development of several indigenous weapon systems. One of the most prominent among these is the Akash missile system, a medium-range surface-to-air missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO. The Akash missile is a supersonic surface-to-air missile that can engage aerial targets up to a range of 30 kilometers and at altitudes reaching up to 18 kilometers. It is powered by a solid-fuel rocket motor and uses a command guidance system for mid-course corrections. The missile carries a 55-kilogram high-explosive fragmentation warhead capable of neutralizing a wide array of airborne threats. First inducted by the Indian Air Force in 2007 and later by the Indian Army in 2015, the Akash system has been operationally deployed in key strategic areas, including along India's borders with Pakistan and China. It forms an important layer in India's multi-tiered air defense network. The Akash missile system is unique because of its mobility, versatility, and affordability. The entire system, including radars, launchers, command posts, and support vehicles, is mounted on mobile platforms, making it highly deployable and ideal for quick repositioning in dynamic battlefield conditions. A range of 25 to 30 kilometers, with the Akash NG variant extending this to around 70 kilometers. Supersonic speed of Mach 2.5 to 3.5. A 55-kilogram high-explosive fragmentation warhead, the ability to target multiple threats simultaneously, and altitude coverage from 30 meters up to 18 kilometers. One of the key components of the Akash system is the Rajendra radar, a multi-function three-dimensional phased array radar that can track multiple targets and guide missiles with high precision. India has also developed an advanced version called Akash NG, or Next Generation. It offers, some major improvements over the original version, such as a lighter and faster design, an extended range up to 70 kilometers, an active radar seeker for terminal guidance, reduced reaction time, and enhanced accuracy. Plus, it has improved resistance to jamming and electronic countermeasures. Akash NG was successfully test-fired in 2021, and with orders expected in the 2026 to 2027 fiscal year, it will further strengthen India's layered air defense capabilities. In 2021, the Indian government cleared the missile system for export under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, or Self-Reliant India initiative, which promotes indigenous defense production. Since then, multiple countries in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Latin America, and Africa have shown keen interest in acquiring the Akash system. Countries are attracted to Akash for several reasons. Its proven battlefield performance, lower cost compared to Western systems like the Patriot or Iron Dome, strategic diversification as a non-aligned military option, rapid deployment, and easy integration, and of course, India's reputation as a responsible and neutral defense partner. In 2023, Armenia signed a defense deal with India that reportedly includes Akash systems, marking a major step forward in India's arms export strategy. Brazil has recently entered initial discussions to purchase the Akash missile system. In conclusion, the Akash missile represents more than just a technological achievement. It is a symbol of India's defense modernization and strategic independence. As the world looks for affordable and reliable air defense alternatives, Akash is emerging as a viable option on the global stage. If you found the video insightful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.